How to bookmark any message on Zoom. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to bookmark any message on Zoom easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Zoom application, and then you have to go to here to any channel that you want to bookmark a message in. Now let's just choose this message, for example, right here. Click on those three dots, and now you need to go down and choose the bookmark option like this. And as you can see, the message is bookmarked easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.